Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I share with you some simple and effective natural remedies for common health problems. Today, I'm going to show you how to use some everyday ingredients to boost your immunity, fight inflammation, and improve your digestion. If you're new to this channel, you can brighten up my day by hitting the subscribe button. Now let's begin. The first remedy is a delicious and refreshing drink made with lemon, ginger, honey, and turmeric. This drink is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help your body fight off infections and reduce inflammation. To make this drink, you will need 1 lemon, a small piece of ginger, 2 teaspoons of honey, a pinch of turmeric, 4 cups of water. First, squeeze the juice of the lemon into a pitcher. Then, peel and grate the ginger and add it to the pitcher. Next, add the honey and the turmeric and stir well. Finally, add the water and mix everything together. You can drink this throughout the day, either hot or cold, to enjoy its benefits. The second remedy is a simple and soothing tea made with chamomile, lavender, and mint. This tea is great for relaxing your mind and body, easing stress and anxiety, and promoting a good night's sleep. It can also help with digestion, nausea, and bloating. To make this tea, you will need 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers, 1 teaspoon of dried lavender buds, 1 teaspoon of dried mint leaves, 2 cups of boiling water first. Put the chamomile, lavender, and mint in a teapot or a mug. Then pour the boiling water over them and let them steep for about 10 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy it before bedtime or whenever you need some calm and comfort. The third remedy is a powerful and tasty paste made with garlic, honey, and apple cider vinegar. This paste can help boost your immune system, lower your blood pressure and cholesterol, and prevent colds and flu. It can also help with sore throat, cough, and sinus congestion. To make this paste, you will need 10 cloves of garlic, 1 4-cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a blender or a food processor. First, peel and chop the garlic and put it in the blender or the food processor. Then, add the honey and the apple cider vinegar and blend until you get a smooth paste. You can store this paste in a glass jar in the refrigerator for up to a week. You can take a teaspoon of this paste every morning on an empty stomach or whenever you feel sick. These are some of the natural remedies that I use and recommend for everyday health. I hope you find them helpful and easy to make. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.